Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. VIVO V15 Pro has been officially launched. The new Vivo phone comes with a pop-up selfie camera module that sports a 32-megapixel image sensor. At the back, the V15 Pro houses a triple camera sensor that is powered by artificial intelligence, AI. Vivo has also provided an Ultra FullView display panel on the V15 Pro that comes with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone also has a 5th generation in-display fingerprint sensor and a Snapdragon 675 AE SoC. The USP of the Vivo V15 Pro is the pop-up selfie camera that makes it similar to the NEX that was launched in India last year. The pop-up selfie camera offers features such as portrait lighting effects and AI-based beautification, apart from face unlocking. The smartphone also comes with a 5th generation in-display fingerprint sensor that is touted to have higher fingerprint pixel density and more sophisticated algorithms over its previous generation to deliver a faster and more secure unlocking experience. Further, the handset comes with a Spectrum Ripple design that comes with 2 distinct color options. The dual SIM, Nano, Vivo V15 Pro runs FunTouch OS 9 based on Android 9.0 Pie, and features a 6.39-inch Full HD+, 1080 by 2340 pixels, Ultra FullView display, a Super AMOLED panel. Under the hood, there is an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AE SoC, coupled with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM. For images and videos, the Vivo V15 Pro has a triple rear camera setup that has a 48-megapixel primary quad-pixel sensor, enabling 12-megapixel effective pixels, with an f/1.8 lens, along with an 8-megapixel secondary, AI super wide-angle sensor with an f/2.2 aperture, and a 5-megapixel tertiary, depth sensor with an f/2.4 aperture. The rear camera supports features such as AI body shaping and AI portrait lighting. For selfies, there is a 32-megapixel camera sensor sitting under the pop-up camera module. The Vivo V15 Pro has 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable via microSD card, up to 256GB. Connectivity options include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS/A GPS, micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The smartphone has an in-display fingerprint sensor, apart from an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, digital compass, gyroscope, and proximity sensor. Besides, it packs a 3,700 mAh battery that supports dual-engine fast charging technology that is touted to charge from 0 to 24% in 15 minutes. It measures 157.25 by 74.71 by 8.21 millimeters and weighs 185 grams. The Google Assistant and Jovi share the Smart button. 1 press summons the assistant, 2 presses launch Jovi Image Recognizer, which can find items on 100 mainstream e-commerce sites and has a database of over 500 million products. The Vivo V15 Pro price in India has been set at 28,990 Indian rupees, which is about $405/360 for the lone 6GB RAM/128GB storage model. The smartphone comes in topaz blue and ruby red color options. Moreover, it will go on sale through Amazon.in, Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeal, and Vivo India online store, as well as a list of offline retailers, starting March 6. Pre-bookings open from today, February 20th. Vivo V15 Pro launch offers include 5% cashback from HDFC Bank, one-time screen replacement, and 0% down payment from IDFC First Bank. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.